Today we're going to talk about my favorite topic, custom templates. Templates are what set Cosign AI apart from the other AI scribes. Cosign is built on language models, and language models use prompts in order to process information. Now, without any processing at all, you can see right here, the recording is just a paragraph. Processing allows us to report that information and filter that information to something that is useful. This is an example of a custom blank template. There are no specific customized things in here, and this is what it looks like. It's broken down to some metadata that's collected, the reason for the appointment, subjective, examination, assessment, plan, disposition. Pretty standard, nothing fancy. Let's edit this template. So when you're in template mode, as you can see it's orange here, this is where there are infinite possibilities. I recommend starting with the headings first. So let's do a basic one. Subjective, objective, assessment, plan. And let's see what happens here. Redraft the note with this template. And here we are. Now the information is brought into subjective, objective, assessment, and plan. You can always add instructions in parentheses. So right here, report in bullet point format, just as an example. Now we're in bullet point format. Let's say I want to use a normal physical exam template. This is an example of a normal physical exam template. I'll surround this normal physical exam template in parentheses. And I'll even add another set of parentheses inside for some instructions. Below is a normal physical exam template. Overwrite it with any positive or negative findings in the transcript. We'll redraft this note now. And you can see here in the MSK section, we now have the positive findings. Now I want to introduce the topic of a wildcard. A wildcard, which we define as 3 asterisks, points the system to look for certain kinds of information. For example, here I'll put pain 3 asterisks out of 10. And now we have here pain 5 out of 10. Once you're happy with the way your template is, I'd encourage you to save it. If you ever want to call your template, just type a period before it, and it'll appear. Thanks so much for checking out our custom template tutorial. I encourage you to play around and find a template and make one that works for you.